Dog, let me tell you what a female think when she put her hands on you. She think you a bitch. She think you a bitch. She think, all right, I'm gonna put my hands on you because even if I was a nigga, you won't do shit anyways. She think you a bitch. Dog. So, Jay, do I put my hands on her back? Nah, bro. Nah. I mean, if you want to, nigga. If you want to just, nah. Nigga, yo, bro, listen. When a female put her hands on you, bro, first of all, your instincts, you gonna be surprised in a motherfucker. Cause you been raised your whole life, don't hit women. So when a woman actually hit your ass, you gonna like, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? This is what you do. You leave and you never fucking return, nigga. Say it again, nigga. Leave and never fucking return. Nigga, she put her hands on you. She think you a bitch, bro. Don't ever deal with a woman who think you a bitch. Think they can just put their hands on you, you won't do shit. No, you can't just, oh well, see bro, some of this shit you can't conversate with a bitch, bro. You can't just sort things out with hoes no more, bro. After she didn't put her hands on you, you can't conversate with her. You can't try to communicate with her. You can't try to reprogram her brain because that just shows that she mentally fucked up. She had the audacity to put her hands on you, nigga. And you still in her presence. You still feeding her dick. No, nigga. Listen, dog. When a woman put her hands on you, you get the fuck up through, nigga. And never return, nigga. Never. And then, y'all know that the one thing they gonna say, I ain't even hit you that hard. That's disrespectful as hell. If she hit you, and then she try to justify her reasons of hitting you, and then she tell you, I didn't even hit you that hard. Like, bitch, I don't give a fuck what I did. Don't put your motherfucking hands on me. So guess what, gang? She think you a bitch. So guess what? Nigga, leave, nigga, so she won't think like that again, nigga. The fuck? What, you gonna stay in her presence? You gonna still obey her? You gonna still respect her? As she just disrespected. Not only she disrespecting you verbally, nigga, she disrespecting you physically. She feel like your higher self a bitch and your ego a bitch. That's two things. That's two things she don't like about you. If you don't like my higher self, you don't like how I come off, you don't like how I speak, okay. But you don't like, come on, bro. What the fuck? You disrespecting two of my assets. What the fuck? This is what you do, gang. You leave and you don't never return. Don't even conversate it out with her. If she be like, oh, well, why you leaving me? Like, don't you want a family? No, bitch, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. You put your hands on me. That's actually a valid ass reason to leave a female. So if she just got done putting her hands on you, nigga, and she was already doing some hoe shit, she was already pissing you off before she put her hands on you, nigga, that's a valid ass reason. Cause at least she can understand and be like, all right, that is a valid ass reason why he should leave me. And if she don't understand, bro, then nigga, who the fuck is you dealing with? Where do y'all find these hoes who don't understand? Like, bro, you gotta be a nigga who don't understand, cause you attract what you are. So if you fucking with females who don't understand, you gotta be a nigga who don't understand. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I mean, I only dealt with one female in my life that didn't understand. I just had to change how I view myself, and then I just came across women who understand, who would never intentionally hurt me because, nigga, my intentions was pure, and nigga, I was just good. I was protecting my energy. So, nigga, look within yourself, nigga. Why would she put her motherfucking hands on you? What made this bitch just put her motherfucking hands on me? What the fuck is wrong with her? Like, you gotta ask yourself that. Don't ask her that. Ask yourself, like, what do I do in my life? Like, nigga, how do you perceive me? Do you really perceive me as a bitch? Do you really just think, oh yeah, you can just put your hands on me and there's no consequences for your actions? Dog, ask them questions, dog. That shit real, nigga. Don't ever let nobody put their hands on you, nigga. If you ain't gonna let no nigga do it, why would you let a woman do it, nigga? Now listen, say if she did put her hands on you, and then you sorted it out with her, you got on her ass, she ain't hold herself accountable, but you see that she understand. And if she don't hold herself accountable, I don't know where the fuck y'all be dealing with these women. I don't know why y'all be dealing with these women that don't hold herself accountable. But if she fuck around and apologize and shit like that, if she do hold herself accountable, oh, well, I'm sorry. I know I was wrong there. Okay. We could take that. Just don't do that shit again. But if she do it again, she don't give a fuck. She don't give a fuck. If somebody can hurt you and apologize and hurt you again, they don't give a fuck. Like, they don't give a fuck. They don't care about you. Like, dead ass. Like, okay, bro, like, I'm trying to tell you, bro, when you, nigga, apology is supposed to end with feelings. Like, okay, I apologize because how I made you feel and how I feel. So when I apologize to you, I'm not going to want to make you feel like that again. I'm not going to make myself feel like that again. So when I hurt you again, nigga, I'm basically used to the feeling. So I'm basically used to hurting you. Nigga, I love hurting you. That's what motherfuckers think. That's what narcissists and motherfuckers who don't give a fuck think. I'm used to hurting you. If I can apologize to you and hurt you again, I'm just used to this shit. Like, dead ass. I'm used to just getting on your ass. I'm used to cussing you out. I'm used to putting my hands on you. You know why? Because I just feel like you a bitch. That's what she think, bro. That's what she think, bro. Well, Jay, how do I stop her for thinking I'm a bitch? Nigga, you leave, nigga. That's the most masculine shit a nigga can do in a toxic-ass woman life is motherfucking leave, nigga. You know the most beta shit a nigga can do? Go back into her presence after she done fucked you over. You done committed with her and she done fucked your soul up, nigga. She don't give a fuck about you, gang. She don't give a fuck about you. She put her hands on you. She definitely don't give a fuck about you. And nigga, what is you saying for a bitch to put her hands on you? Because if you was saying some intellectual shit and if you was talking like me, she'd be scared to put her mother. You gotta be saying some stupid shit. If a girl put her hands on you, you gotta be saying some stupid shit that a bitch just don't like. Cause nigga, I done told bitches about themselves and being real nigga with these hoes. And they ain't never put their hands on you. You know why? Cause I'm that real stand-up nigga. When you speak real, niggas will start getting like, bro, that shit scare niggas' soul. Okay, when you speak real, they don't even want to touch you when you speaking real right there. This is why bitches be getting in fights, niggas be getting in fights, and they just be talking that stupid shit. They don't really be saying shit. They don't really be saying no real shit. So then the nigga end up beating their ass because they just say stupid shit. You know, when a nigga put his hands on you or a female put her hands on you, you gotta be saying some stupid shit. Like, what the fuck did you say? Ask yourself that. What the fuck did you say? She probably asked you, like, why you talking to old girl? And you probably responded like, shit, I just wanted both of y'all. Boom. But Jay, are you saying she has a point to put her hands on me? No, nigga. But the fact is you saying stupid shit, nigga. Stop saying stupid shit, nigga. Like, dead ass. Stop saying stupid shit. If you don't want nobody to touch you, nigga, stop saying stupid shit. Now, I'm not saying, because she's still wrong. She's still wrong. Don't get me wrong. Nobody should put their hands on you. But, nigga, stop saying motherfucking stupid shit. Because if that was a nigga, it wouldn't be different. Like, nigga, he would have probably beat your ass too, nigga. So, nigga, stop saying stupid shit. Because, nigga, ain't no way. What the fuck? Like, what did you say or what did you do to make a woman want to put her hands on you? Don't say, oh, I was just being a real nigga to her. Because, nigga, you not like us, bro. Don't be trying to do that. Don't be trying to play that role of being a real nigga knowing you a funny ass nigga. What the fuck did you say? Well, Jay, I was playing with her. I didn't. Bro, listen, bro. You got to understand, bro. A woman know when you playing, bro. They know when you playing. But when it gets to a point where she actually going through a lot with your ass and you still continue saying some stupid shit and doing stupid shit, bro, that makes them react differently. Now, like I said, nigga, she was still motherfucking wrong. You should still motherfucking leave. But, nigga, I'm just giving you a point of view. If you say stupid shit, you can't expect a girl to just react and just turn her motherfucking back. Even though how I respect. That's how I expect. But nigga, bro, you said some stupid shit. You did some stupid shit. The fuck you want her to do? Nigga, she probably been turning her back this whole time. You probably got at her nigga, you probably got on her last nerves, nigga. I'm not saying, nigga, she was right, but nigga, stop saying stupid shit. Learn from that and stop saying stupid shit. Half y'all niggas don't even want to learn from shit. Nigga. Last time, nigga, I remember me and my god sister, we got in a fight, my nigga. And my god sister, she put her hands on me and shit like that, nigga. I was like 13, 14 years old. She put her hands on me and shit like that, nigga. I was mad as fuck. But then as a real nigga, I had to accept it. I was like, damn, I was saying some stupid shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then I always said stupid shit to her. So I got on her last nerves. All them times I came in her room, said some stupid shit. Actually, she was still wrong, but let me change my motherfucking self. See, that's an alpha ass mindset. What, you gonna keep getting hit by bitches? Every bitch is gonna react like that, bro. Bro, ain't no women, bro, every woman gonna react like that, especially when you get on their last nerves, like they tired of your ass, and you just say some stupid shit. Now, they ain't gonna react like that the first time, but nigga, trust me, when it gets to a point, trust me, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. She can't deal with stupid niggas, bro. She can't deal with that shit. Somebody who say stupid shit, she can't deal with that shit. She just can't deal with that shit. Like, all women just don't deal with stupidity, bro. I don't even deal with that shit. Come in my face and say some stupid shit, talking about some, oh, you this and that, you this and that. Just saying stupid shit, no, I'm not that. Nigga, I'ma beat your ass. But that's because I'm a nigga. A female shouldn't hit another nigga. Cause then, nigga, if they hit their ass back, he's this or that. He hit women. He's abusive. No, nigga. For all y'all women, keep y'all motherfucking hands to yourselves. Cause if that nigga hit your ass back, nigga, it'd be a problem. You would be bloody in this bitch. It'd be a fucking bloodbath in that motherfucking crib. So keep your motherfucking hands to yourself. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.